I fell in love with the pen, started fucking the ink. The hustle's of art, I painted what I would think. Still allergic to broke, prescription straight to the paper. Destined for greatness, but got a place in Jamaica. Villa on the water with the wonderful views. Only fat nigga in the sauna with Jews. When they got a yacht, I'm talking Carnival Cruise. And these niggas talking like hoes, they mad they not in my shoes. It's the red bottom boss, came to buy the bar. Every bi-week shit, I'm bound to buy a car. Murder say these Benz of that bubble double R. Headlights flicking, looking like a falling star. Every day them hammers bang, whipping yay like anime. I run the game, but the ladies think I'm running game. Mink coats make you